Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to mirror Android screens to Windows 11 PC without any app. To start screencasting, we must have to open the Connect application on their Windows 11 PC. Let's start. Right-click using our mouse on the Windows logo, and select Settings. Go to System, scroll down and look for Projecting to this PC. Here, we need to install the wireless display. To do that, we need to click the optional features. Click View Features. And search for wireless display. Click that and hit Next. Then you will have this second message saying, "Here's what will be installed." Click the Install button. This may take a minute or two to finish installing the wireless display. Okay, done. You will have this here saying, "Installed." Okay, let's go back and let's check if the PC is ready to mirror your phone. Go to System, and scroll down, and go to Projecting to this PC. You can check the settings, like Require PIN for pairing. Let's put it, Never. Ask to project to this PC, let's put it, for first time only, and for the setting, let's put, Available everywhere. Okay, we're ready. Now click, Launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. Boom, it now says, it's ready for you to connect wirelessly. Now, let's open our phones. Make sure Bluetooth is activated as well. Let me share my phone screen, so you guys can see it. Okay, you can go slide here, and look for Screencast, or go to your settings and type, Screencast. Once you click that, it will automatically search for display devices. See here on my phone screen, one device is available. You need to click it to start pairing. Click, Start Now, so you can connect to your PC. Now, you are now connected. Let's test some apps and see if it works. I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit like, and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to hit also the notification bell, so you will get the latest video tutorials. Thanks for watching, God bless.